Hi, I'm Akira Imakura of University of Tsukuba in Japan. Our research group recently have been developing original distributed data analysis method named as a collaborative data analysis. So today we will talk about the accuracy and privacy evaluation of the collaborative data analysis. In many applications, sharing original data for analysis may be difficult due to privacy and confidential requirements. Recently, collaborative data analysis was proposed which shares individually constructed intermediate representation instead of the original data. Our motivation of this study are to analyze how to protect the privacy of the original data and analyze how to guarantee the accuracy of the collaborative data analysis. These are our main contributions. For accuracy analysis, we provide a sufficient condition for equivalence of the collaborative data analysis and the centralized analysis, which shares original data with dimensionality reduction. And for privacy analysis, we proved that in the collaborative data analysis, the privacy of the original data are preserved based on a double secureness. For more details, please discuss in poster sessions.